I'm Phoenix or whether I'm in Alaska, this is with me. I never leave it home. So I want to take a second and talk about my traveler's journal and my notebook. I love this. It keeps up with everything. And I want to break down and show you just kind of an overview of how I use it, what do I use it for, and how it keeps me on point where I need to be. It goes with me whether I'm going to Alaska or I'm here in Phoenix or traveling anywhere else abroad. This always is in my bag. It's always with me. So I love this. Now, Wanderings, which is what I use, sent me another one, and this is a fantastic one, and it's like this one here. It's going to open up, it's going to have the pockets and slashes in it, it's leather, it's absolutely great quality. You put 1, 2, 3, 4 notebooks in there. This is an A5. I find this is a little big for me, though I am going to start using it just for random stuff, but I do like it. But the Travelers is just, I'm in love with it. This is just like it's my constant companion. So let's dive in and I'll show you how I actually use this thing, all right? And how it makes me more organized and my life a little easier. And here we have my Wanderings leather traveler's notebook, which I really do love. When you open it up on the left-hand side is some slash compartments, which I really do like putting stuff in. I put a clear separator in there with 2 compartments so I can put things in it, and I really do like that. I start off with my monthly calendar, and then I go to the weekly schedule, which is a little bit more detailed. The heart of the operation, or the heart of the notebook, is going to be this middle section. That's going to be my task and habit tracker, where I keep most of my details and everything in there. And here's a back clear compartment that I put more stuff in. And the back is my newest addition. It's going to be my index, which keeps my thoughts, my YouTube ideas, my book thoughts, and different things like that. Now, the monthly calendar is exactly what it sounds like everybody else's. You put your own dates in it, and I simply just put my activities and things I want to remember that month, just the highlight of it. So I can look at it at a glance and know exactly what's going on that month. From my paydays to flying home or flying here or there, little notes on the right-hand side, and then I throw some notes on the bottom too. Again, this is blank, so I put my dates on the top, and then I put my days of the month in the boxes, of course. In the front of this, I use this space to track my expenses for my flights and for the pay I receive every month. Then you have the weekly schedule. This is a little more detailed day-to-day, like a normal calendar would be, that has a weekly schedule in it. Like the monthly schedule, you can put the dates on the top, make little notes up there. You got your hourly throughout the day, and then the right spot is a little place you can put extra notes. Then I have my task and habit tracker for this month. And what I do is I have my first page I use for daily highlights, and I number it, how many days of the month are in it, and then next to it I put the day of the week for quick reference. And then on the right side, I'll just make little notes of the day, what happened, the highlights of it. The next is my habit tracker. Same thing on the left-hand side. I start with the days of the month and then the days of the week. Now, I break this down and make my little grid here for reading, for exercising, my weight, and how much sleep I get that night. And I might make little notes for any of that over on the side, like I run 2 miles today, or I did 25 push-ups, yahoo. Anyway, so I make little notes there. And on the right side up here is my tasks for August. Now what I'll do is I'll make a little square there, and I'll make whatever the task is for the month. Something like look for a new apartment this month, or look for a new vehicle, or such, things like that. The bigger things of the month that you want to get done. Things that really stand out. Now on the next page and continuing through this section is going to be my task for each day. Now on the top, I put the month, the day of the week, and tasks. Now we have priority, secondary, tertiary, and notes. Now the priority are the things that absolutely have to be done today. They are the highest priority. Makes sense, right? Secondary are things that would like to be done today, but it could slide to tomorrow if it had to, and in that turn, it'll move up to priority tomorrow. Tertiary are basically things that are on the radar that really haven't hit today or tomorrow, but will be moving up the list as it goes by. And notes are what notes are. They're usually about things that have happened that day and things that need to go on the list that I'll eventually move up to the tertiary or secondary or priority. Now, I borrowed this technique from MarineX. He's got some great content out there, so shout out to him. Now, he has a little square box on the left-hand side, and I really like how he does it. I like using a red marker. I usually do it that night or the next day because it's just an immediate recognition. Now what I'll do, if the task is complete, I'll put an X on it. If I'm not going to do it anymore, I'll just draw a red line through it. Now if half the task is done, I'll just shade in half that box. And if the task is moving till tomorrow, I'll put an arrow to the right on it. And I absolutely love this clear separator here. On the front side is a slash pocket, and on the back side is a zip pocket, and I'll put, as you see, little pictures and notes in there and things that make me smile throughout the day or things I want to keep up with. Now on the back here is this new section I've just started using, and I kind of like it. It's going to be my index. It's going to have my daily thoughts, my story bank, my video ideas, and my references. Now basically my daily thoughts is kind of like a journal, but a really condensed version. It's kind of the highlights of the day and just my thoughts, wins and losses of the day. The story bank is stories that I'm working on, memoirs. So if I have a thought, I throw it in there. The next section is going to be for my video thoughts. That's going to be my YouTube channel and ideas that I come up with throughout the day. And then the end references. That's just going to be things that I might reference, a camera I want to look at, a video I want to check out, or just different things throughout the day that I want to make a little note of. All in all, I just absolutely love this Wanderings Traveler's Journal. It's just made so well. The leather is fantastic. The more it wears and rubs, the more aged it looks, and the more I like it. I love the logo of the compass in the bottom, which is the logo of the company, but it really is nice. Now, I have the A5 version of this here, and it was sent to me, and I really do like it too. And I'm just going to use it for a random notebook for now. But for me, daily, the Travelers works better, but this is definitely a fantastic option, and it'll hold several notebooks just like the Travelers does, just the A5 size. I love the pockets in the front left and the slash pocket in the back. You really can't go wrong with anything you choose with Travelers. They make a fantastic product, and I love their notebooks. And these are a few things that I call my necessities I always carry with me with my Traveler's Journal. The first one is going to be the Bastien pen. It's a titanium bolt action pen that I absolutely love. It feels great in the hand, it writes great, and things almost indestructible. So it's always in my bag with me. The next items are the Dingbats dual marker pens, thick on one side and thin on the other. I usually keep the red and the black with me. I love the way they write, and I just like what they add to my system. I picked up this Faber-Castell, and I really like writing my headers with it. It's an art pen. I'm not an artist by no means, but I do like what it adds, and I do like the way it writes and feels. Now, I always have a ruler with me because I'm OCD and I have to have straight lines. So either this one or a smaller one I'll have stashed away. And if you have a Traveler's Journal, you definitely need a clip to keep it flat. Now, the Dingbats make great products, and I love this felt pen. It's a 0.5. I found that's the size that I really like. And I always keep one of these in my bag too because they don't smear, they don't run, they don't bleed, and they write really well. And there you go. This is the kit that I threw together for my Traveler's Notebook. It goes everywhere my notebook goes. As always, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you got anything out of this, and I'll see you next week.